Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy and paste image in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from then I show that image, this image from the copy and to the paste in the Microsoft sheet. Firstly, now click for the image option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the copy option. Now for click. That's it. Now paste is the anywhere click. Now click for the paste option. That's it. Then show the copy and paste image in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.